In this video, you know, in this video, you learn how to calculate the percentage of steel. Hello friend, I am Samedi back with new tutorial video regarding RCC. Last video, I discussed how to find neutral axis using the area of steel and area of concrete. In case you missed the video, there is some I button, just go and check out. Otherwise, you go to playlist section, definitely you will find this video. First, understand what do you mean by that percentage of steel. Suppose this is your cross section and this is your what? This is your steel. So percentage of steel meaning steel area by gross area into 100. So this is AST, this is B, this is D into 100. Remember one thing, in percentage of steel, this capital D means overall depth. In RCC maximum place you have to use the small d, that is effective depth. But here percent of steel, no use of d, remember it. Okay, but there is another way you have to find out percentage of steel. So let's deep dive to this discussion. In last video we will see an expression that is this. So we'll start the discussion from this point. So B n square by 2 equal to MAST D minus N. So from here we can write AST equal to B by D minus N, again n square by 2, again 1 upon M. This is AST. Steel area divided by area of concrete. That means P equal to AST by A concrete into 100. Simply AST by BD into 100. That is the P. Where AST equal to area of steel, B equal to breadth, D equal to overall depth. Okay, there is another way out. We find the percentage of steel. How? In last video I will discuss of one thing, that is this. From this statement we'll deep down and find out another method how to find the percentage of steel. So from here we can write B n square by 2 equal to MAST D minus N. From here we can write AST equal to B by 2 D minus N square by N. Okay, so percentage of steel equal to AST, that means B n square 2M D minus N 100 by BD. So BB cut out 2 here 50. So P equal to 50 n square by M D minus N into. So this is the another way you have to find P in term of M and N. But still you can simplify more. Why? Because we know that n equal to kd, then p equal to 50 k square d square m d minus kd into d. So from here we can write 50 k square d square by, from here d will be common, m d square 1 minus k. So d square out. So p equal to 50 k square by m 1 minus k. See, this is the another way you have to find the percentage of steel in term of k m this. So this is the video where you can find the percentage of steel in this way. Otherwise, you find the percentage of steel on this way. So hope this is short and simple video. Hope you understand. If you have some doubt, let me know in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. If you find some value from this video, then definitely like the video, share this video to your circle, groups, and subscribe my channel because it helps me a lot. It motivates me to making such kind of content for you, and that helps also the YouTube algorithm to reach out to more people. In next video, we will talk about the concept of lever arm. You may find what is the lever arm. See, in one of my last video, I discussed this D minus N lever arm. So next video I will talk about this D minus N by 3 lever arm and talk about this. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, see you soon.